Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to convert an Epson printer into a sublimation printer. Before we get started, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button because it really helps my channel grow. And also tap that notifications bell so you guys don't miss out on any new crafting videos. Alright guys, let's get started. If you've been wanting to jump into the world of sublimation, I highly recommend you start off buying an Epson printer and converting that into sublimation. I decided to buy the Epson Eco Tank 2800 only because it was $199 and I couldn't see myself spending over $500 for an actual sublimation printer when this could basically do the same thing. The biggest size paper this Epson ET-2800 can print is a 8.5 by 13. If you're looking to print bigger prints, I highly recommend getting the Eco Tank 15000, and that's a printer that a lot of crafters use, and that could print up to 13 by 19 inches. You can convert certain inkjet printers into sublimation. The easiest ones to use are the Eco Tank because you can easily fill up your tanks as needed with the bottles. I also highly recommend that you use a brand new printer. Don't use a printer that had regular ink before because just getting it to clean and do all that stuff and it might not even clean right. Just don't do that. Go get a brand new one. All right, let me unbox mine and let me show you what mine came with. It came with a software CD. My computer doesn't accept CDs. I think a lot of printers don't accept it nowadays, but when you go on the website you can download the software, so you don't need the CD. It also came with instructions how to set it up and a power cord. It also came with Epson ink. Do not use these inks. Put them away and use them for your regular printer. Next, you want to take out your printer from the bag, and also you want to take off all that blue tape from around the printer. Next, we're going to fill the printer with sublimation ink. I got these from Amazon. I believe it was $28.99, and this is from the brand Hiipoo. It comes with your 4 colors: yellow, magenta, cyan, and black. The black bottle is a little bit bigger only because the tank is bigger on the printer. Now to fill the inks, you just want to pull out that front part, flip the tab of the color you're using, and simply push down that bottle. You'll hear a click that it went in, and also you're going to hear a gulping sound. So you're going to hear that gulping sound until it can't fill no more. This usually takes about less than a minute for each color. After it was done making that gulping sound, I gave the bottle a little wiggle and it was able to pull more ink. And after that, you just simply pull out the bottle and then insert the next ones like before. The bottles of the yellow, magenta, and cyan will finish the whole entire bottle for these little tanks. The only one that will have extra is the black because that bottle is bigger. Once you're done filling up your ink, you want to plug it in and turn it on, and you're going to follow the prompts on the little screen. Next, it asked if I wanted to finish the setup on the app, like on your phone or a tablet. I selected no because I was going to finish it on the computer because that's where I'm going to be printing from. Next, you're going to hold the question mark button for 5 seconds, and then it's going to ask you if your printer is already loaded with the ink. You're going to select yes, and then it's going to charge your printer with the ink, so this is going to take about 11 minutes to do. Next, it's going to want you to print a paper to check if the print heads are aligned. This is how it printed for me. It was missing 2 little segments and I just left it like that only because the more you print, the more it's going to unclog it. But also you have to remember to also print a sublimation at least once a week because these inks are a little bit thicker, so it will easily clog the lines. Next, I'm gonna download the software to my computer so I can use my printer. So I'm gonna go down to support on the Epson website, and where it says product name, I'm gonna type in the printer that I have, which is the ET-2800. Next, you're gonna scroll down where it says operating system. I am using Windows 11, and then you're gonna hit go, and then you're gonna scroll down to the bottom and hit download. Once you download it, follow all the prompts, and once you're done with that, we're going to set up the Wi-Fi on the printer. After you're done setting up the software onto your computer, you want to go back into your printer and set up the Wi-Fi. So you're going to go in, find your name, enter the password. I'm gonna cut this part out only because this is my personal information. And after you're done, you are ready to start sublimating. Also, once I was done setting everything up, a paper printed congratulating me on my setup. So that's how I knew I was done. Alright guys, that is it for today's video on how to convert your Epson printer into a sublimation printer. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I will be making more sublimation videos, beginner sublimation videos. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!